Are you planning to start your online shopping e-commerce application? Then check out this video till the end. Check out our latest video e-commerce application. Now people can directly watch your videos and they can purchase directly from videos just like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Now showing your catalog on Instagram and then sharing the products on your website is not necessary. You can directly show the videos on your application and people can see them, they can like them, they can comment, and they can also share it with their friends and family, and they can directly click on view product and they can purchase the product with online payment, OTP login, and much more. This type of application can easily increase your online platform earning to up to 90% because converting the clients is become easy. So what are you waiting for? Start your online video e-commerce application today. You can directly upload the videos by your admin panel and you will get a customer Android app, website with basic features. Remember, the application will be having video e-commerce and the website will be having basic e-commerce. So for more, you can directly contact us. Number is showing on the screen. So our team can make your own video e-commerce application today.